Everyone likes a bargain, don't they? And here in Chepstow, or Cas-Gwent in Welsh, on the border between Wales and England, we get value for money. 2 names for the price of 1. My name is Tudur Owen, and I think that our place names not only tell us where we are, but maybe also who we are. Chepstow means marketplace. Chep or ceap means market, and it gives us, as you'd expect, the word cheap. And stow is the Old English word which means meeting place. You'll find it in places like Felixstowe and Pladstow, and interestingly, Bristol, because the original name for Bristol was Brigstow, the meeting place by the bridge. But let's get back this side of the border. The Welsh name for this place means more or less the same thing as the English one. So, buy one, get one free. But the Welsh name, Cas-Gwent, tells a far richer story and is quite a bit more valuable than the English one. The first part, cas, is a quick way of saying castell, castle, as in Castwchwr or Casnewydd, Newport, just down the road, and it suggests there's something worth defending here. The second part, Gwent, takes us all the way back to Roman times. Venta Silurum, that was the Roman name for this place, and it means the home of the Silurian tribe. This tribe ruled these parts when the Romans arrived, but in time, the name of the tribe was lost, and Venta stayed, which over the centuries evolved to become Gwent. Most experts believe that venta is a Latin word related to the French vendre and the English vend, to sell, as in vendor or vending machine. So this was an important trading post, much like Venta Icenorum, the Iceni market, or Venta Belgarum, the Belgai market, which is today known as Winchester. So Gwent means the same as the win in Winchester. I think we're getting our money's worth from Gwent. It's an old and treasured name that has survived the centuries. So if you call this place Chepstow or Cas-Gwent, you're getting a good deal.